Welcome to our next tutorial of Mesh Surface for Solidworks. In this tutorial we will go through some performance tips and tricks of how it will make your life easier. If you install Mesh Surface add-ins, you will see a small toolbar which will appear when you start Solidworks, which is on top of the main command bar. This might be quite annoying, so what you can do is just put it aside and even close it because you don't need it. I'll show you in a minute how useful this is in your processes. What we added in the latest version is that if you want to start a cross-section from a plane or from an axis, if you just click on this plane, there will be a shortcut icon here that directly will start your sectioning, and you can perform the cross-section without even going to Mesh to Surface tab. Another option is if you select axis, you'll see it here. The same thing happens if you right-click on the plane or axis in the features tree. Let's say, for example, the top plane, and you can see this cross-section icon. This is one of the improvements here that you can use. Let's now, for testing purposes, just create a small sketch. I will just go and create cross-section. We'll put it slightly up, and we'll get this section which will be projected onto the front plane. I will probably want to do this on my slicing plane. When I'm happy, I can just press OK. As we can see now, we have another reference plane and our sketch is here. So let's go back and speak about a quick toolbar that I showed you in the beginning. You can always go to Mesh to Surface and press the quick bar. This will show the quick bar on the screen, so you don't need to close it anymore. So what I need to do now is just select this plane, and I want to start creating a sketch. I entered in sketch mode, we'll press the space bar and we put it into the view so I can see the sketch how I'm going to draw it. In this moment it's quite useful, this quick toolbar, because I can actually hide all the meshes before I start. Also, I don't need to go to Mesh to Surface mode. I just stay here where the sketch is and I can go and start doing Fit Sketch Entities mode. Let's speak about this Fit Sketch Entity mode. In the recent version, we added another option which is called Fit Automatically Line or Circle. What it will do, if you just brush over points, it will automatically decide if this is a circle or this is a line. For example, here I can just brush and take this and it will fit circle for me. The same thing will happen even here. You can always go and force to choose so you can only fit lines, arcs or circles. Another trick that you may need quite often in your processes is, for example, that I want to fit a line here, but I also want to use the points on the other side. So how can I easily do this? If I hold Control key, you see the brush becomes red. This means that if I just paint, it will not fit anything. So you can just hold your Control key, go on the other side, brush it, and when you're happy with this, you just lift your Control key on the keyboard, and then the actual fitting will be performed. Again, you can do this on the side and so on. This is really useful. Another example is if I want to create a line which fits these points but also the points on the other side. Let's practice this. I'll just hold the Control key, brush the points here. For example, even if I brush something more accidentally, I will hold the Shift key to unselect, lift the Shift key and carry on holding the Control key, paint this here, and when I'm happy I just lift the Control key. Again, this can happen on the other side, and voila. So this is performance utilities that I hope you'll find them quite useful. So you can press OK, everything becomes a sketch in SolidWorks which you manipulate. But the good thing about the quick toolbar is that you can always go back and enter these modes without going to switch between the tabs of the SolidWorks, and this will increase your performance. Again, if you accidentally hide this and you want to see it again, you can always show it from the button which is available in Mesh to Surface command bar. I hope this is useful. Thank you for watching.